Landing gears, there you go. I'll just lift it up, and yeah. Guys, welcome back to vbuilds, and now in our flight simulator, you must be following the series. So we have almost everything, but next part that we need is a landing gear, flap switch, and some buttons for our lights to turn on the lights. So yeah, that's what we are going to do in this build. Stay tuned, hope you enjoy it. Let's do it. So this is what we did in our last build. The trim tab is complete and I showed you it is working absolutely fine. So yeah, now next we need to work on the flaps, and for that we are going to use the same rotary encoder like we used for the trim, just a different infrastructure. So let's do it. So we are done with the flap controls, and this is how it looks. It turned out to be better than I expected. Flaps down and flaps up. So the best part about this is that it stops in different positions. Like if I just put the flaps one notch up or down, it stays in that position. So that's something I really love about it. Okay, I'm shooting this video at a later stage just to explain how I made this flap switch. This part I forgot initially. So that's why this is changed. I actually replaced the flaps that we created earlier with this small box type thing, because it's like, oh, more nice, it moves nicely. Yeah. So this is the flaps. Forgive me for the writing, it's not really good, but yeah, let me show you how it works. Inside the box you see this is actually the stick which controls the flaps, and it is connected to this rotary encoder. And basically what it does is, when you move the flaps up or down, it rotates this. So just like we did in the trim tab, when you rotate this, it rotates the rotary encoder there, down there. Same thing, same procedure we followed with the flaps, and we just pasted this rotary encoder down there with some supports. Like I have used a glue gun, and this piece of wood is supporting it vertically. And then again the four wires are same as we used in the rotary encoder. So connections and everything is same, even the coding is same. So what I'll do is I'll put a card on the top of the video for you to follow how to connect the rotary encoder to our arduino leonardo, and you can follow the same steps to build this flap switch. So just take a look. So it is removable. I'll just show you. If I pull it out, I can just pull this out. Yeah, see, so that's just the rotary encoder there. Rotate this, lift, this is flaps up and this is flaps down. So yeah, and I'll just put it back, and there's our working flap switch again. Wait, it's a bit tricky to put it back. Uh-oh. Yes. Okay, so now it's connected. So I see up and down. So flaps up, flaps down. Yes, that's how it works. It's night time already and we are in Sepang airport with our Cessna. Time to test our flaps. Let's check if this thing works or not. Going to the inside view. This right there, this one is the flap switch. So let's see if it works. I'll just pull it one notch down. Oh, there. So our flap is working absolutely fine. Next notch. Oh, too much. Okay. Yeah, and this is 3. Yeah. So you see, the flap works. Let me show you the outside view also. Our Cessna. There you have it. The flaps. Yeah, I guess this view is good. One notch flaps. Let me put it on the top first. Okay. One notch down. And there you go. Another one. There you go. Guys, next up is the landing gear. Let's get to it. Do you see this? This is not a lollipop. This is our landing gear. So I have created this using 2 bottle caps, cutting them into half and then pasting them together. And this is a refill, pen refill. So this is our landing gear knob, and here is the place where it is going to be connected. So I just put it inside from here. Okay. There it goes. And inside, this is going to be interesting. This is a surprise for you. Inside, there's nothing complicated in this. It's just a toggle switch inside. Wait. Come on. Need to remove the tape. Yes. So yeah, inside it's just a toggle switch, and this straw kind of thing, it can just go and fix in there. You see? So so difficult to work with one hand. I need to buy a stand. Yeah. So landing gear up and landing gear down. So what happens is, it just flips this toggle switch to up and down. So that's how our landing gear works. Check this out. Landing gear up and landing gear down. Yeah. So that's our flap and landing gear is done. And now is the time to test our landing gear. We are on the airport in our Boeing 737. Since Cessna doesn't have retractable landing gear, so we need to test this in our Boeing. So check this out. We are going to fly this thing and we'll test our landing gear. Let's go. Let's take off. Full power. Release the brakes. So I have left out the Arduino coding part here for the toggle switch. So that part I'll be explaining in the next video, because next video is going to be about the toggle switches which we'll be using for the lights and all. I guess now we can rotate. There you go. Okay, testing the landing gears. There you go. I'll just lift it up, and landing gears going in, yeah, and our landing gears are in. Let's bring them down. Landing gears down, and there. So our landing gears work as well. Inside view, if you want to see the inside view, let me show you. Before the plane crashes, there's the landing gear here, right here. Just put it up, there, up and down. Okay, so it works fine. So guys, that's a wrap. We are one step ahead in our build. Our landing gear is done, and so is the flap controls. I hope you liked the episode, and now is the part where I ask you to like and subscribe. Please do it if you are watching this video. If you like it, please make sure you subscribe.
If you like this video, please consider subscribing.
This guy's not slowing down. Yeah, that's confirmed. He's not stopping. Code 3.